How to fix error code 9001 to 1470 when purchasing on Nintendo Eshop. FYI, to make a purchase, your card must be from the same region as your Nintendo account, such as only USD can be used on a United States Nintendo account. Below are some tips that may help fix error code 9001 to 1470 when purchasing on Nintendo Eshop. 1. Try using a different credit or debit card. 2. Add funds using Nintendo Eshop prepaid cards, or use PayPal. 3. Follow https://bit.ly/2sgmxyb to access regional eShops. 4. Contact Nintendo, visit https://bit.ly/29si8wk and select Nintendo Eshop and downloads Nintendo Switch. How to download content from the eShop. OK, and then click the call button to receive a phone number. Last but not least, contact your bank, Nintendo's distribution partner, or the credit card issuer for further assistance.